So we're here in the Gazelle Experience Center in Santa Cruz, California. With me are 3 experts from both the public and the private sector, and we are trying to improve this situation on cycling in Santa Cruz County. So we got both people from the county, from various cities within the county, city planners, politicians, everybody that's really working on developing mobility in the county.
The most frustrating thing is sitting at a traffic light and it being empty, and you can tell like nobody's going, and there's one pedestrian darting across left turning flow. Traffic lights, yeah. Removing traffic lights, the same cross-section for bikes, 3 lanes of traffic, and pedestrians on the other side, that's all in a seat, right? That's the conversation you should be having, and not like, oh, you can't have a bike lane, right? So that kind of design detail allows you to use the same type of material, but with...
So the question I have is...
Just so much we have to offer that can be highlighted by a shift in our design mindset.
I just believe and feel that riding your bicycle, it's really an important tool to make a nice place.
Cycling is freedom for me. It's going wherever I want to go. Most trips are short, even in the USA. 50% of all trips are shorter than 3 miles.
Should I look? Look at you. My main reason for attending is getting all these people together who do this work in silos around the county and coming together jointly to create a shared vision for how we can actually advance bicycling in Santa Cruz County.
People won't ride if they don't feel safe and empowered and educated to do so. With the Gazelle Experience Center, one of our goals is not only to do essentially e-bike matchmaking, but all of our demo fees actually go into a fund to organizations that we believe further that commitment to furthering access to cycling.
Yeah, I'm not alone in this, we're doing this together.
It's a wrap.